Hi guys, my name is Shubhrajyoti Roy and welcome to my channel Shubhrajyoti Roy 2. And friends, today I'm gonna show you that how to make a IR transmitter controlled IR sensor on breadboard. So for this project you will need some very simple components which are two jumper wires which are male to male, a 9-volt battery, a 9-volt battery connector or cap, a 3-volt micro cell or 3-volt lithium battery for LED, a normal LED. And friends, remember in this project I'm gonna use a red colored LED, but at your project you can use anything, any color as you like. And then you will have to take a IR transmitter. It's of course fully looks like an normal LED, but it's not a normal LED. It's called the IR transmitter or TX. And then you will need a IR RX, called in the full form the IR receiver. And of course the main part which you will need to make a breadboard. So friends, let's start to make this project. So for make this project you will have to take a normal LED, and remember the long leg or the long terminal is called the positive terminal or the positive leg of this LED, and the other means the short leg of this LED is the negative terminal of this LED. So friends, first you have to fit this LED on breadboard as like this. So friends, this point is the negative point and this point is the positive point, and here is the line. I have kept a line which is for fixing the IR RX or the receiver. And then you will need a IR receiver. And friends, as the LED, the IR receiver's long leg is the positive terminal and the short leg is the negative terminal. You will have to fix the positive terminal of this IR RX or the receiver on the place of the LED's positive terminal, and the negative on anywhere on the breadboard. So friends, for this IR receiver, this point is the positive point and this point is the negative point. So friends, now you will have to take a jumper wire and you will have to take a red colored jumper wire which is generally used to indicate any positive connections. So friends, then you will have to connect the negative terminal of this LED with anywhere on the breadboard's line, and then with the black wire you will have to connect the minus side or the minus terminal of the LED and the other with any line of this breadboard of this upper part. And now the whole project will be looks like this. You can see it. And now you will have to take a 9-volt battery connector, and then you have to take this red wire of this 9-volt battery connector, and you will have to fix it with the positive line, which is on the down, the last part, and the black wire or the negative wire, you will have to connect it with the minus point. And now for test this circuit, you will have to connect a 9-volt battery connector with the 9-volt battery battery, but you can't understand that it's working. So for understand that your circuit is completely fine and it's working, you will have to take the IR transmitter or the TX as the LED and as the IR receiver. Here is the long leg, which is the positive terminal, and here is the short leg, which is the negative terminal. You will have to connect a micro cell battery with this transmitter, and then it's time to check this out. When you put this transmitter around this receiver, the LED will light up. You can see the LED is lightening, and our transmitter controlled IR sensor is complete. So friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel, so hurry up, just subscribe to my channel and you will get all of the notifications from my channel. And friends, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye.